Today we're going to go over some marker techniques, and that just means the way that you use your markers. So trying some of these techniques can add some interest to your artwork. The first one is directional, and that just means that you're coloring in a certain direction and the marker lines will show up the way that you color. The next one we're going to talk about is outlining. So this might be where you are coloring a shape, drawing something, and you decide to outline it either with a similar color or a very different color. This can add visual interest to your drawings and make things stand out, make colors look different. Stippling just means coloring, drawing with dots. So I'm going to gently dot with my marker. If I can hear your marker dotting, you're pressing too hard and you're going to break the tip of your marker or put a hole in your paper. You can use the same color or you can use different colors. But this could be a way to color in and add more than one color. I'm going to slow down and make sure that I'm not covering up all of my other colors. So I'm trying to fill in empty spaces. So that's stippling. And then if it's a water-based marker, that means like the Crayola ones, washable markers, you can add water to whatever you've drawn. So I'm going to put some warm colors next to each other. When you're adding water, it's good to think about colors that you're using and if they look good together, because the water is going to make them mix around a little bit. So I have a brush, I have some water. And if I smear it onto my white paper, the colors are going to bleed and mix into each other and into the paper. If you have some crayons, you can use crayons on your paper first. Experiment with different colors. Oftentimes this will work best with lighter color crayons. And then you can color over the crayon with your marker. Again, you might try different colors to see how they look. And the last one we're going to look at today is patterns and value. And this would mean that you're using your markers to make different lines and repeating them, and by doing that it's going to make it lighter and darker. So cross-hatching is one. So I cross my lines over each other. I could even try crossing different colors over each other to make different patterns. I might try doing lines, coloring with lines, and again, if I want to mix my lines, I can do that. But this could be a way to color in areas instead of just coloring with a single color. And then the closer I put my lines together, the darker my value is going to be. I might even try coloring over it another time. So this can add interesting texture and patterns and value, meaning making things darker and lighter rather than coloring with a single color.